Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how can you use the search bar in a Mac to do some useful operation. Now if you want to access this search bar, what you can do is that you can go to the menu bar and towards the right end you can see this lens. You can simply click on that and it will appear on the screen. Alternatively, you can press command and space bar from the keyboard and the search bar will also appear. Now remember, this is an universal search bar, which means that anything that is present on the Mac system or the system that you are using, you can locate it from this search bar. Now there are some useful things which you can do, which I will just mention. So let's say suppose you want to open a particular software. So for example, let's say I want to open Microsoft Word and I don't know where is it. Okay, so what I'll do is that I'll simply open this search bar and I'll type Word and hit enter. See, Word has opened. Similarly, I'll just again go to the search bar and I type Excel. If I want to open Excel, and I hit enter, and I'll see Excel is open. Similarly, I can type PowerPoint and PowerPoint is opening. Now these are of course very standard packages. Now there are few tricky ones. For example, let's say I can type activity monitor. Okay, so this is something which you need to use sometime in order to access how the system is doing. Let's say what processes are kind of like taking more memory, etc. So that also you can access here. Okay, now let me get rid of this and then I'll show you something which is very fun from here. Now let's say you go to the search bar. Okay, and if I want to do some useful operation, for example, let's say if I type 1 plus 2, you see it is telling me what is the result, 3. Now let me do a subtraction, 2 minus 1. Okay, so I can get this thing. Now let's say if I want to do an multiplication, so 10 star 2, so that is 20. Now if I want to do a division, I can do that. Okay, so you can see like basic operations I can do it. Now not only this, let me just try to do some trigonometry. Let's say sine of 0, so that is 0. Okay, now if I do cosine of 0, see it's 1. Now let me try to see exponential 1, so that is also 2.71, which is correct. Now let me try logarithm, natural logarithm of 1, so that is 0, which is correct. So you can see that you can also do basic mathematical operations and the functions which you can access from this search bar without actually opening the calculator. Now the fun part is that here, let's say if I just type 1 plus 2 and if I just hit enter, then the calculator will open, which means that the actual calculations are actually being done by the calculator, but it seems like that the spacebar is doing this thing. So yeah, that's the part which I wanted to mention here. I hope the information is useful for you. Thank you all for your time. Bye.